Effects of the TCF7 leaders to genetic variants on anthropometric, metabolic and hormonal parameters in type 2 diabetes mellitus patients who following diets enriched with nopal tortilla and whole grain bread. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Genetic polymorphisms in the human genome may contribute to phenotypic variation and genetic susceptibility to several diseases, with transcription factor 7 like 2, TCF7 leaders 2, being one of the genes that is most consistently associated with T2DM across different studies and populations. The TCF7 leaders to genetic variants have shown differential effects on low-fat and high-fat diets in obese subjects. Nopal is a Mexican variety of cactus that is a traditional food and has been used in the treatment of diabetes. Its hypoglycemic effect may be because of its soluble fiber, mucopolysaccharide, content. This study hypothesizes that there are hormonal and metabolic differences in T2DM patients who carry different RS790346 and RS122553 to TCF7 leaders to genotypes and consume diets containing either nopal or whole grain fiber. This study analyzed the effects of the VS790346 and versus 1:25537 to TCF7 leaders to variants on anthropometric, metabolic and hormonal parameters type 2 diabetes mellitus patients who consumed fiber from either nopal tortilla or whole grain bread for 8 weeks. 74 patients who consumed an individualized isoenergetic diet that included nopal tortilla, diet 1, and 63 patients with a diet that included whole grain bread, diet 2, were followed up. The T2DM patients received an individualized isoenergetic diet based on the 2004 American Diabetes Association (ADA) dietary recommendations. Anthropometric, metabolic and hormonal measures were collected at baseline and final intervention. The size effect and carryover effect were estimated. To assess the interaction of genotype and diets, a general linear model repeated measures analysis was used. Minor allele frequency of RS790346T was 0.27 and for RS122553 to T it was 0.13. IBM SPSS Statistics 19.0 software was used for all statistical analysis. At 8 weeks after diet 1 intake, weight, BMI, waist and hip circumference decreased, P is equal to 0.00015 in RS790346cc and RS122553 to GG genotypes. In particular, patients carrying the RS790346cc and consuming diet 1 showed a reduction in waist circumference of more than 2.5 cm compared with diet 2, P less than 0.001. No significant interaction between RS790346 or RS122553 and diet was seen in this study. In conclusion, in the KERRY-RS of the VS730346cc and versus 1:25537 to GG wild types, significant changes in all anthropometric measures were observed, and they had a better response to both diets. This result highlights the importance of considering patient genetic patterns when suggesting therapeutic diets. Differences in anthropometric, metabolic and hormonal responses should be considered when adapting and individualizing diets of patients to better control T2DM. Introduction. Type 2 diabetes, T2DM, is a common health condition that happens when the body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't make enough of it. A gene called TCF7 leaders 2 has been strongly linked to a higher risk of developing T2DM. This gene affects how the body manages blood sugar and responds to insulin, and certain variations in the gene can increase diabetes risk. diet also plays an important role. Some foods like nopal, a type of cactus, and whole grains may help control blood sugar, especially in people with specific genetic makeups. This study looked at how two types of dietary fiber, nopal tortillas and whole grain bread, interacted with 2 TCF7 liters to gene variations in people with T2DM. Over 8 weeks, researchers monitored changes in hormones and metabolism. The goal was to see whether these fiber sources could improve health outcomes depending on a person's genetic background, helping to personalize dietary recommendations for better diabetes management. Conclusion: this intervention study showed that the risk genotypes of the studied polymorphisms may have different effects on anthropometrics when the overall diet is the same but the fiber type differs. Individuals with a mutated genotype for Rs1 to 25537 to TCF7 liters to showed a larger decrease in total cholesterol when they consumed a diet with whole grain fiber for 8 weeks, and carriers of the Rs79031446cc genotype showed higher GLP-1 levels when they consumed a diet with nopal tortilla fiber for 8 weeks. Lopez Ortiz et al., 2016. This result suggests the importance of considering patient genetic patterns when suggesting therapeutic diets. As such, differences in anthropometric, metabolic and hormonal responses should be considered when adapting and individualizing diets of patients to better control T2DM. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.